Hey guys, Chris Morris here. I wanted to put together this video for you today because a great friend of mine, Peter Drew, has just dropped a huge bombshell of a video with a brand new piece of software that he's coming out with that has got me super excited, and I wanted to share it with you today. This tool is so new that as of the shooting of this video, it doesn't even have a name yet. But I haven't been this excited to get my hands on an SEO tool since around 2008 when Peter first released a product called Brute Force SEO. And if you've been around in SEO as long as I have, you might remember that way back in those days, ranking in Google was much easier. In fact, that's what Pete's software did. He created a product called Brute Force SEO, and it literally could brute force any page into the Google SERPs and own multiple page one listings easily. So you flash forward until today, and now so much has changed in the landscape of SEO and search. There's many new opportunities to dominate, not only in Google search, but YouTube, in Google Maps, Google My Business, and so much more, right? And I got this email from Pete the other night, and the title right away got me thinking. I'm like, it said, rank hard, rank everything, everywhere. And so I clicked through and I watched this video, and I literally could not stop thinking about it. My jaw dropped, and I'm like, I remember that feeling like when you were a kid, and it was Christmas Eve and you couldn't sleep, but you couldn't wait to get up and open up your gifts the next morning. Okay, that was literally me after watching this video. Okay, no, but it's sort of like that, right? Where I've been doing SEO for 13 years, and I'm also a very loyal customer of Pete's and his tools, and I just wouldn't be if they plain didn't work. Now this software automates so much, but you know, it's YouTube ranking, Google organic rankings, Google My Business rankings, and so much more. I literally cannot wait for this software to get here, guys, and by the time some of you watch this video, it is probably going to be out, in which case I highly encourage you to buy the software at any price because it will be worth every single penny, that I promise you. Pete, this is for you. I'm a happy customer. I wish you all the best. I can't wait to add this amazing ultimate ranking software to my arsenal. Have a great day, guys. Thank you, Pete. Cheers.